Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing number 133. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here. So that means this is our 4. That 2 means this is our 3, 2. For this column now, we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 9. That 5 means this is our 6, 5. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 8. No help here, 3, 6, 8, and no help here, 3, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, so 2, 6. And no help here, so 2, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 5. 5 here, so 2, 3. 2 here, so 3, 5. That means the only place in that row our 2 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 9. 2 here, so 8, 9. 2 and 9 here. That means this is our 8, 9, 2. And then we can get rid of this 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here. Nope, that's not right. Yeah, we're missing 3 and 7. With that 7, that means this has to be our 3 and our 7. That 3 makes this our 8. We can get rid of this 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 2. We can get rid of this 2. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. That means for this row, then we still are missing a 2. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. And this 6 makes this our 3 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.